In Powell, Tennessee, you'll discover an exceptional property that was made for the gentleman farmer. We welcome you to 236 Strader Road. With over 7 acres of mostly rolling hills, a fenced-in area for horses, a pond with running water, and a barn with water and power, this mini farm is ideal for anyone wanting to enjoy country living while still being conveniently located between the shopping, dining, and entertainment of West Knoxville and Oak Ridge. Centered within this picturesque acreage is your home. This is 3 bedrooms and 3 baths, providing over 2,300 square feet of spacious living area. Take the split-level staircase to the main level. On cherry hardwood flooring and lined with crown molding throughout, your great room looking out over the country scenery. The open floor plan takes you to your formal dining area, an island kitchen featuring plenty of counter space and cabinet storage. Sunrooms that bring in plenty of natural light. Your main level bedrooms and baths. Downstairs, an expansive basement that not only offers plenty of storage, but the potential for a 4th bedroom with bath. Outside, a great in-ground pool and lounge area, an excellent center of entertainment for the summer months. Here is your opportunity to live off the land for a lifetime of enjoyment. Schedule your private tour of 236 Strader Road in Powell, Tennessee. Call Anthony Seale of Ferguson Realtors direct at 865-438-9456.